Hello, mathematicians. Welcome to Number Corner. For Number Corner today, we are going to be working on a checkup to show your teacher some of the things that you've learned so far in Number Corner. Let's have a look in Seesaw to see what we'll be working on today. Your activity is called Number Corner Checkup Number 2, Part 1. Here are a few reminders for you for when we have an assessment or a checkup in Seesaw. Number 1, listen to the directions on each page. You might see a little play button down at the bottom or the caption marks with a blue circle around them to show you that you have something to listen to. Number 2, you work on your own using your own thinking. For assessments and checkups, we want to know what you know, not what someone else in your house knows. Number 3, try to solve all of the problems, even the ones you don't fully understand. Do your best to give those a try, too. Number 4, explain how you solve the problems when the problems ask you to. You can use pictures, words, and numbers in your explanations. Now let's have a look at the checkup we'll be doing today. You'll have part 2 to work on tomorrow. On our first page, we have number 1, and you have one story problem to solve. Remember to use numbers, pictures, or words to show your thinking, and write an equation to match. After you solve the problem, write your equation down here. Now you can use the play button right here to click on the quotation marks to hear this problem read to you. You'll see this on each page. Remember to use your own thinking. You're being asked to do the same thing on page 3, number 2. Solve the problem using numbers, pictures, or words to show your thinking, and then write your equation at the bottom. Here's the play button reminding you to listen to the quotation marks to hear the problem read to you. Again, use your own thinking. You'll do the same with numbers 2 and numbers 3 on page 4. Remember to always explain when the problem asks you to. This problem wants you to explain how Dan can solve this problem. You can use the microphone to record your thinking or the text tool to write your thinking. The same for number 3, and click the quotation marks to have this read to you. For page 5, you have number 4, and you're going to fill in the number to complete the equation. Sometimes the answer will be at the end. Sometimes you need to put the problem together and think about how we get the answer. Do your best to solve all of the problems on this page. For number 5 on page 6, you're going to write the number to tell how many sticks there are in each collection. This should look pretty familiar to you from our Century Day pages from our workbook. Remember, there's 100 sticks in the large bundles and 10 sticks in the small bundles. You have those quotation marks here again to have this problem read to you if you need it. All right, mathematicians, time to get to work and show your teacher all the hard work you've been doing in Number Corner and what you know. I'll see you tomorrow for part 2.